Hi, it's Fairy Julianne back with another balloon twisting tutorial. This time we're going to make a simple balloon dog. So inflate your Q260 balloon. I'm making a pink dog. So I inflated that all the way to the end, let a little air out, or let a lot of air out. It'll be nice and soft if you let lots of air. So give it a tie. This becomes the dog's nose. Okay, so you want to do a pinch and a twist right here. Okay, that's its face. So we're going to do one ear, so a bubble there. And I'm going to do a lock twist, pull it up and twist it at the same time. That's one. It's a little bit like making a monkey. So now I'm going to make a bigger bubble, maybe that 3 fingers worth. Twist that. And another bubble like the same size I did at the beginning. Twist that. And you always want to keep twisting the balloon in the same direction. Okay, so I'm going to lock twist. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to twist these two together. Okay. Pull that up. Okay, that will lock in. Okay, and now I'm going to hold these two while I pull these 3 up and twist to lock. There we go, just like that. You can be quite rough with it. It's not going to pop. Sometimes they pop. I've done something wrong. Mine looks a bit more like a poodle head, but that's kind of cool. Yeah, I think I actually needed to lock that very first bubble. Yeah, I can do that now. It's a poodle head. Okay, that is a poodle. Okay, now we're going to do the neck, twist, and now for the legs, long poodle legs. Now your dog size will vary depending on how you've inflated your balloon, so you'll have to have a play with that. And the trick with the dog is to try and get the eggs, it doesn't have eggs, it's not a chicken, get the legs the same size, okay? I've made my front leg a little bit too long, so it's going to have a very short torso. I'm going to pinch here because my legs are about even. So it's going to have a tiny little tail. And then to lock this so it doesn't come undone, I'm going to push that tail through here. There we go. Okay, and that is your poodle. I didn't actually do this part right, in the right order, but it doesn't matter. You just go with it. It probably matters if I'm trying to be an authority on balloon twisted dogs and making videos, but I'm not, so it's just fun. It's just for fun. So you can draw a little mouth for your dog, and you can draw some eyes. I'm going to put my eyes here, and another eye on this side. There we go. You can put a tongue as well if you want. Alright, there's my poodle. Okay, now if you want to take this next level, you can turn it into a bracelet. And okay, and the other thing you can do is inflate a balloon and make a collar so the kids can hold that. I can show you what I mean by that. Let's do the collar first. So what you do is just blow up another balloon, inflate another balloon, all the way. There we go. And I keep going to put my balloon pump over there, forgetting I've got my belt on. Okay, so you just do that. This is what I do anyway. And I do that, tie that out, wrap it around a couple of times. And then this end gets tied around the dog's neck, which I actually forgot to I shouldn't have inflated that all the way. I actually want a soft part here. Oops. it'll still work. And I've got enough in there that I've got enough to wrap around its neck. So you just go like this, tie that on, and now you've got a dog on the lead. Straighten it up so it's sitting the right way, and then they can walk the dog this way. And off you go for your dog walk. Now, if you want to turn this into a bracelet dog, I'm just going to undo the leash. Okay, so for the bracelet dog, you actually want to put the legs, tuck the legs in there. So he's sitting down like that, his legs out. Okay, so he's ready. She, maybe it's a girl, probably a girl, because she's a pink poodle. And then you get your flower, like that. And you just get a regular balloon and use another colour just to tie it on. Wrap that around. Now, if you want to see how to make this balloon flower, there is a tutorial which Michael has done, so watch that one with how to make the flower. Okay, but you don't actually have this part on there. And it's got the bracelet, and then the little girls can wear their dog as a bracelet. How cool is that? Or it could be a monkey that you attach there. And check out the balloon monkey tutorial as well. So you can do lots of variations with that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you were able to follow along okay. I think it's good that you can see that, you know, you make mistakes and it doesn't matter, you just go with it and it's fine. And you know, sometimes another tip is if there are really little kids and they ask you for something that you don't know how to make, like a crocodile, and you don't know how to make a crocodile, just give it a go. And at the end you say, here's your crocodile, and they say, oh, thank you. Because the little kids, they don't really understand, like that you don't know how to make something. They almost look at you like you're silly. It's like if you say to them, I don't actually know how to make a crocodile, they sort of go, how do you not know how to make a crocodile? You're an adult, you know everything. So yes, the power of suggestion, they will be quite happy with the crocodile you make, even though it may not look anything like a crocodile. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.